All right, I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to do two-step problems, and then you're going to work on these, and the last 4 will be your homework. So in a two-step problem, we're going to actually use the 2 different conversion factors. Again, we're going to call this the blue one, and we're going to call this the green one. But we'll be using both of these now. So the first question, the known is in grams. Remember, the G in grams stands for grab your periodic table. The unknown is going to be molecules, so we're going to be using both conversion factors. I start with my known at the top, so we've got grams of SO2. If I have grams of SO2 on the top, I need grams of SO2 on the bottom. So I'm going to look to see which one of these conversion factors has grams. Well, it's that one right there, which means I'm going to need the molar mass. Remember, to calculate the molar mass, we're going to do a separate problem over here on the side. I've got SO2, I've got 1 sulfur. Each sulfur weighs 32.07. Now I have 2 oxygen. Each of them weighs 16. Now when you calculate that, you're going to get a molar mass of 64.07 grams per mole. So we've got grams on the top, and we're going to need grams on the bottom of the next one. So 64.07 grams per 1 mole. Now I'm ready to go to my next one. I've got mole on the top, so I'm going to need mole on the bottom of the next one. And I'm going to look at my green conversion factor. Well, the number next to mole is 1. How many molecules are in a mole? That's going to be 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, and in this case it's going to be molecules. You're going to put that in your calculator and you'll find that your answer is 1.27 times 10 to the 23rd molecules, and that's with the right number of significant figures. I'm going to put a box around it, and that's how you do that problem. I'm going to do one more and then turn you loose. Once again, I've got my known, my unknown. Now it says mass, so my unknown is going to be in the unit of grams. So I do my table, 2.23 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. If I have atoms on the top, I need atoms on the bottom. I go up here to my conversion factors. The green one is the one that has atoms. There are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms in 1 mole. So I'm going to put that number in the bottom. In 1 mole. Whoops, if I can write the word mole, that would be helpful. Now I'm ready for my next conversion factor because I'm not to grams yet. So I've got mole on the top. I'm going to need mole on the bottom. Now I'm going to need my blue conversion factor. 1 mole. And now I think my video cut out. I'm going to leave an answer key here so that you can have your answers checked. The last 4 problems are going to be homework, so the back side of this sheet. Good luck.